Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you all so much. Thank you for always tuning in to watch my video. Thank you to my old and my new subscribers. You guys are so amazing. I love you guys a lot. So without wasting much of your time, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make your flaxseed seed gel. Yes, flaxseed seed gel. That is what I'm going to be showing you how to make today. So this is the one I'm using in Italy. It's called Semi. In Italy, it's called Semi. So this is what I'm going to be using. I got it in the supermarket. So I'm going to show you guys how to make it, how to make the gel, and I will also be leaving the benefit of flaxseed seed. I will leave it in the description box below. So guys, let's get started. So now I'm just going to put my pot on fire, and I added 4 cups of water. Added 4 cups of water to the pot, and I'm going to be adding the flaxseed seed gel. The flaxseed seed gel, I'm going to be adding 4 tablespoons. 4 tablespoons. That is what I will be adding, so you can see it. So I added 4 tablespoons of flaxseed seed gel and 4 cups of water. So I'm just going to, you make sure, just continue to stir it like this. Continue to stir it so that it won't get burnt at the down. So I'm just going to continue turning it like this. Just going to continue turning it until it comes to a boil, until it starts boiling. When it starts boiling, now you can see that it's watery, but when it starts boiling, you will see the difference. So I'm just going to continue stirring it. So now you can see the way it is. You can see how it is now. You can see it's coming to a boil. You can see. So it depends on how you want it. If you don't want it too thick, just make it the way you want. You can make it light, you can make it thick, you can make it thick. So just continue stirring it like this. So now you can see it's coming to, but you can see the difference. Now you can see it's now thick. It's no longer light, and you can even see the way it's drawing. The gel is already coming out. The gel is already out. So I'm just going to leave it. So let it cool down. Just leave it to cool down. That you will be able to press it out. So yeah, I'm going to be using this weave-on cap. You can see it, the weave-on net. So that is what I'm going to be using. If you don't have the weave-on net, you can use your strainer to do with the one that has a small, a little mouth. You can use it. So now I'm just going to pour it inside. You can see how the flaxseed seed looks after letting it to cool down. You can see how it is. But in case if you don't want it to be thick like this, you can make it also light. You can make it to be watery. So I'm just going to add everything. I'm just going to pour it into the net to enable me to bring out the gel from the flaxseed seed. So that is what I'm going to be doing. So just continue watching and see how I do it. Okay, so just continue watching. So that is what I'm just going to be doing. So now I'm just going to, because I let it to cool down very well. So it's a bit hard for me to press the gel out because it's thick. You can see it's thick. Like what I said, if you don't want it thick, just make it light. Once it comes to a boil, Once it comes to a boil, you can just off the gas and let it to cool down. And let it cool down. Let it cool down the way you'll be able to press it out. Or you can even do it when it's hot. You can use your strainer to do it when it's hot. It will come out very easy. This one, you can see how I'm using my strength to press it, because I leave it for a long time to cool down, so it's kind of hard for me to press the gel out. So you can see it. So that is how I'm just going to be pressing. You can see how the gel is, and this one is thick. This is thick. So that is it. You can see after the gel now is finished, you can see after bringing it out from the net, this is how it looks. You can see how thick it is. It's very thick. You can see how it looks. Very, very thick. You can see how slimy it is. You can see how it is. So that is it. So I'm just going to add it to a container. I'm just going to add it to a container. So that is it. You can see how it looks, very slimy. You can see, just look how it is. Just take a look at how it is. Just take a look at it. Like I said, I'm going to leave the benefit of Flaxseed. I'm going to leave it in the description box below. So kindly check it out so that you can know the benefit of Flaxseed and know how good it is So I'm just going to add it into this container. I'm just going to add it. So that is it on how to make your Flaxseed gel. That is it on how to make it. Very simple to make. You can see it's not that difficult. So just give it a try. Just go to the supermarket and get Flaxseed and then give it a try. So that is it. I'm just going to add it into the container and I'm going to close it. So that is it. You can store it in your fridge for 2 weeks before using it. You can store it in your fridge for 2 weeks or 3 weeks. So that is it on how to make your Flaxseed gel. So see you guys in my next video. Thank you all so much for watching. Bye bye.